Hi, Liz here. I am packing up to go to the refuge. Well, we have little options these days as to what we can do, but going out to the refuge again is always an adventure because though the trails remain the same, you never know what you may find out there. It's kind of amazing to me. Prior to the quarantine, when I would come out here, I would never see anyone. In fact, I have it on one of my videos. I met a guy out here hiking, and that was the first person I had ever seen out here. Well, now when I come out here, there are people everywhere. What a beautiful happenstance to see that deer. It was just coming down the trail, stopped at the shade here, just turned, and he was there. And if I'm not mistaken, I may see another one. Yes, okay, hold on. Okay, there is the truck. Now, if I take this trail and go down all the way, it'll mean 3.5 miles before I get back to the truck. I forgot my cap today, so I don't have my sun shield. And I'm already tired, and I've put in a good 1.5 miles maybe. I'll do it. 3.5 miles. Let's go. delicious. And much needed. Look how much this has grown up. And it wasn't too long ago that I was walking in there and none of that greenage existed. It's amazing what rain and spring will do. I decided to go ahead and take my break here. Those dewberries were great. And I actually have some blueberries that I brought from home as part of my brunch. And also some classic pickles, salty and delicious. One of my favorite things. Here are the blueberries and a cherry tomato from the garden. That is really good. Now let's compare a handful of blueberries to the dewberries I just ate. They're good, but they are not as sweet as the dewberry. This is the work of a wild pig. So they're around here. I'm hoping not to come across one today, although that looks very fresh. Here's another one right here on the trail. Okay, let's move on down the road. On the home run stretch, and I am feeling it today. Oh. Oof. Well, the truck is in sight. Oh man. This was a tough one today to finish up. All right, let's see if we can get to the truck.